Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet an Irish circle, so let's get started. So I'm going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then I'm going to come over here, make a slip knot, tighten my ring a little bit, and then I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to work inside the center over here. You can see, so I'm going to go through, pull my yarn, see, this is how it's supposed to look like. Then I'm going to come over here, I'll last loop on top, and then I'm going to make slip knot like that. I'm going to chain 3, that way. Then we are going to come here and going to insert a hook right there where we made a slip knot. Insert, make double crochet, and to make again 1 double crochet, so going to 2 double crochet, then going to do the second one and do the same 2 double crochet, you can see how it's supposed to look like this. Then I'm going to count here, from here 1 2 3, through our yarn over there, pull through, make a slip knot like that, as you can see. So it's supposed to look like. Then to make things easier, I'll go to the second loop here and pull through. So as you can see, this is how it's supposed to look like. I'm going to cut this part here. So this is how it looks like. This is an Irish circle, so you can see I have this one here and I have my second one here. The yarn is the same, it's only that the colors, but you can make this for your patchwork, or you can make as a scrub, or any design you want to form for. But I prefer to make these Irish circles for a patchwork. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Till then, see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.